Hello, welcome to part 2 of doing this DTR / TZR engine. So I'm currently just brake cleaning all the metal filings out, and my pal had these engine cases shot blasted, just the outsides, so some shot blast still left inside there, so I'm just making sure I get all of it out, because you don't want that in the bearings. So bearing got the gearbox bearings from the bearing traders, so I can fit them. Just wiping the worktop down so it's clean. So putting the bearings in. All the bearings have no caps on, like no seals on. Give it a bearing Loctite on there, so they don't spin in the shells, just in case for whatever reason. You know, heat if the engine casing warms up more than what the bearing does. All you're just using is a socket with an extension, just to tap the bearings in. You should never have to really bray them in, because if you do, then there's something wrong. Just gotta make sure you put them in evenly. All I'm doing there is just to look at the rear of the bearing to see if it's sat completely in there. So there's one gearbox bearing that has to have, well, saying has to, but from the factory it comes with the seal on the other side. Which you just leave in. So this is the bearing here that I'm putting in. The side with the seal goes towards the clutch basket. So the side with no seal sits on the inside of the gearbox. Now on the other side. Doing a bit of a boogie there. So now I'm putting the bearings in. The delivery driver came and delivered all the bits from PGME. This is what 246 quid's worth of stuff looks like in a box. Gaskets, crank bearings, crank seals, all good quality. My friend's new Conrod. Long Conrods is who make most standard factory Conrods. One of the best, if not the best, out there. I ordered this one with the upgraded TZ style big end bearing. There it is. So hopefully that's going to get put on the crank soon. I don't have a bearing press at home, so I can't do it myself. I'm just putting the new seals in there. New sprocket seal, select the shaft seal. Now we're warming up to put the crank bearings in. If you warm the crankcase up, it just makes it easy to get them in, so you're not hitting it so hard and at risk of cracking or scraping aluminium out. Again, especially with these, use Loctite for the bearings. Just put new crankshaft seals in. With the crankshaft seals, you don't need to go crazy with them. You know, as long as they don't foul on anything, that's all you want. You just want them to sit flush. You don't want them sticking right out, obviously, neither, but pretty common sense, it's easy to do. Now this engine here that I'm undoing, switched engines now. This is my own engine, not my friend's. I thought I'd do this engine while I'm on. This is my 4DL TZR 125 bottom end I'm doing. The same as the other engine. I put all new gearbox bearings in. I'm just putting the crank bearings in it now. I'm a bit rougher with my own stuff. Just making sure the balancing shaft fits in alright. Cable tied all the gearbox together for when you take it out, it makes it easier to put it back in. Now make sure it's in neutral, make sure you've got the tumbler in the right place. Make sure you don't have it all the way around in 6th gear at neutral. Pretty easy to rebuild your own engine, there's not much to it. Right now I'm just taking the old crank bearing off me crank. It's a good crank this, it's only done about 4,000 or 5,000 miles. So I'm just replacing all the bearings because the gearbox bearings were knackered anyway, they were whining. So I don't need to put a new conrod and big end bearing on. So now I'm just putting the bearing retainer in. Stops the bearing from vibrating out or anything like that. Loctite the screws in always. Now we're just sealing the two halves together. Waiting for that to cure. Now warm on the other side crank case bearing up so that it makes it easy to go in. So it slots onto the crankshaft easier. So you're not fighting it all the time. You only need to tap it all around. Don't damage any surfaces or nail any ends over on gearbox end shafts or anything like that. I'll go and get my copper hammer here so it doesn't damage the casings because I'm going to tap it a bit harder because it's tough to get together. You'll probably see on the video I ballsed up at one point. As you can see the conrod there, the conrod had moved round, but pulled it back round, it slotted together, and that's it, back together. Selecting all gears. So I just bolted it together, make sure the sealant goes off, and that's it. I'm just waiting on my friend's crank to be rebuilt now. He's going to come and collect it and get it done and then build that engine up. I'm going to pull my engine out of my other bike tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.